I'm Ryan Goff, Quality Assurance for Icon Shelter Systems, and today I am going to show you how to apply touch-up paint to your metal roof panels. Inside your touch-up kit you'll have your roof paint pen, a bottle of part cleaner, and a lint-free rag. All three of these items will be needed for this process. As you can see in this roof panel, we have a small scratch in the metal finish that we're going to touch up and repair. The first step is we're going to want to clean the area around the scratch to remove any dust, dirt, or other contamination that could adversely affect the adherence of the paint to the panel. So we will take a little bit of our part cleaner and apply that to one of the lint-free rags, both of these included in your paint kit, and just gently wipe the area around where we're going to touch up the paint. While that dries, we'll agitate the paint inside of our paint pen. After you had agitated the paint pen, we need to get paint out onto the felt tip. You can do that by compressing the felt tip into the paint pen chamber. You're going to have to do this quite a few times before paint starts to flow. The felt tip is now adequately saturated with paint, but not oversaturated. We definitely do not want to apply too much paint to the area that we're trying to repair. We want to apply just enough paint to add the protection that the paint offers and blend that color into the damaged area. It doesn't take long for that part cleaner to dry, so now we're ready to apply paint. And I'm just going to work with the chisel tip over the scratched area and fill in with paint until that whole area is covered and the paint offers protection on the roof panel. There, looks like we got it. We'll want to replace the cap on our paint pen to keep that from drying out so that it can be used again if needed. This touch-up paint repair procedure is now complete, restoring the protection of your metal roof or trim panel. Please note that touch-up paint applicator pens are not available for all roof colors. Thank you for watching.